So guys, I got my first Kwanzaa kit from the amazing Black Monarchy, and it includes a mat. You get your own little mat. You get the Kwanzaa candles. You get the mug, and then you also get the flag, the African-American flag or Afro-American flag. You get some red sage smug. And then of course you get the hashtag, support black businesses. You got this beautiful stand for your candle. And this is gorgeous. Like, this is so pretty. And this is everything I got in my kit, and I'm so excited. Like, this usually costs way more than what I spent. If you guys want to check her out, I will leave the link to her info. Shop please. She has the bombest head wraps. I have a face mask from her as well, and she gives you directions on how to use it, X, Y, and Z. So guys, I'm gonna go set up my Kwanzaa set. I'm so excited. So first and foremost, there are two runners. So there's this one right here that are shorter. They're not very long, so they come in this size. Then there's this long runner, which I don't know. Maybe no. I'm gonna do the smaller ones. I like the way that looks because it's gonna be sitting right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this together collectively, and this is what it looks like. Then I set up I don't know if this is, all right, so I have everything all together, and I'm gonna walk you guys through everything. I have everything all set up. It is so freaking cute, and I love it. So I have the mats, and usually the mats are woven. I actually have woven fabric, but these came with the set. If you don't know, I do weave, so I have woven fabric. But yeah, we have woven fabric. We have the unity cup. We have the crops, so this is some of the food I bought. We have the candle holder, and this has the Egyptian eye. We have the 7 candles, and then we have the flag, which spans across my whole entire thing. And it's all set up super cute. I'm so excited for my first Kwanzaa. I've been trying to celebrate Kwanzaa for at least 3 years, so I never celebrated Christmas. I've been telling my mom that, I don't do Christmas, I don't celebrate it, I don't say Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas to people, I just say Happy Holidays, out of respect for other people and their religions and their beliefs. But this is so beautiful. I love it. I am so excited to celebrate it. Again, each day is a different representation. If you guys want more information, I'll leave it down in the description bar on what each color stands for. So they're saying that number 1 is unity, so the black stands for unity. 2 is self-determination. 3 is collective work and responsibility. 4 is cooperative economics. 5 is purpose. 6 is creativity, and 7 is faith. So those are the 7 days of Kwanzaa, and it's also listed on the back, and I also got the color arrangement from the front. So yeah, those are the 7 principles of Kwanzaa. So again, unity, self-determination, collective work and responsibility, cooperative economics, purpose, creativity, and faith. Like, come on. That's just so beautiful. Again, I'll list it down below if you guys have any questions, but I'm going to take a picture of this, and I can't wait. I'm going to light the first candle actually traveling, so I'm going to take some of the candles with me because I will not be home for Kwanzaa, but I'm going to leave this set up until I get back and I'll celebrate the rest of the days here. So it goes from January 26th to December 26th to January 1st. So, yay. So on the first day or during Kwanzaa, people usually say habari gani, and then you can say umoja, which means the first day, and I forgot the second one, but habari gani means what's the news, and umoja usually refers to the first day of Kwanzaa, and the other phrase, which I will figure out at some point, refers to the following days. And I'm so happy that I'm celebrating this holiday that I literally didn't know about my whole entire life. And it's just like, wow.